Hey y'all, welcome to the Big Bear Bros page. I'm bringing you guys the INZONE H3 wired headset, real raw and uncut. And let's unbox it and see what's inside this goodies, y'all. Let's get it open, y'all. Let's slide it open and see what's in here. Like a fat kid loves cake. Okay, here we go. Oh, yes. Let's see. Let's take out the headsets. Oh, these things looking very, very nice, as you guys can see. Up close and personal of the headphones, microphone, boom right there. So anyways, let's turn it around and see. We got the volume right there. Looking very, very cool. So, next what we got right here, I think in here is the audio box. So let me get this box open for you. This audio box is used for the software for the INZONE headsets to use as an equalizer to control your headsets. Woo, let's see what they look like. Don't they look very, very cool? Oh, yes, yes, yes. Very slow. And thank y'all for checking out my unboxing right there of the H3 Sony INZONE headset. Rate, comment, subscribe for more.
With no shame, wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone.